Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Halal. As we all love pizza so much, so I was thinking of making a healthy one. Today I'll be making a healthy chicken pizza. So let's get started. To activate yeast, add brown sugar and yeast to 1.5 cup warm water. And yeah, don't forget to stir it really well. And let it rest for about 10 minutes before we get started with the dough. I use 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Add some salt to it. 10 minutes later, our yeast is activated. I add some honey for good flavor. Make sure you mix it really well. Now pour the activated yeast into the flour. I use a spoon to stir it really well. I have a cup of whole wheat flour handy. I'll be adding it gradually to make a smooth dough. I brushed oil on the dough to avoid crusting. As I'm using whole wheat flour, I don't feel guilty of eating a pizza. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for an hour. For toppings, I have some baby spinach, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and then some jalapenos if you like it to be hot, some green peppers, onions, black olives, and some grilled chicken. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees. Take a round pizza pan and brush some oil over it. And dust it with some flour. So after an hour, now the dough is ready. For the pizza sauce, I use the Classico traditional pizza sauce that's available in all the grocery stores. Divide the dough into two equal parts. Each part makes a large pizza. Sprinkle some whole wheat flour and roll the dough into a nice even circle. Place the dough on the pizza pan. Now use a fork to poke some holes in the dough. And spread the pizza sauce over the dough. And now start applying all the toppings on the pizza base. Now let's keep the pizza in the oven. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Pizza is now ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Go ahead and try this recipe and let me know on the comments below. I hope you enjoy the pizza. Take care and bye for now.